Want to check your respiratory rate or breathing rate on your Apple Watch? By doing this, you can track your breathing while sleeping or during mindfulness sessions. So, look no further. In this video, I will show you how to check your respiratory rate on your Apple Watch. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. First, open up the Settings app on your Apple Watch. Scroll down, find the Privacy and Security. Tap on it. Now, scroll down again, then tap on Health. Now, scroll down, tap Respiratory Rate, and make sure to toggle this on. Now grab your iPhone, open the Health app, select Browse from the bottom right corner. Now scroll down, now tap on Respiratory. Scroll down again, then tap Respiratory Rate. Here you can see your respiratory rate or breathing rate on your Apple Watch. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, then drop a like, and if you have anything to ask, then let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned.